MCPS students and the Montgomery County School Board President Brenda Wolf recently visited the Kid Museum in Montgomery County to announce the expansion of their highly successful partnership. This new partnership will soon be available to more than 7,500 elementary and middle school students.
These kind of partnerships allow our students to gain skills that they might not otherwise gain. It's sort of added value to the educational experience that we're providing.
This new expanded partnership is particularly valuable since it serves our most vulnerable students. It's here that we can see students exploring science hands-on.
What you're seeing is kids engaged in maker learning. Maker learning is all about creative problem solving and action. So they are designing and building inventions of their own creation.
Students explored advanced cardboard fabrication techniques and put their newly learned skills into practice, creating a moving prototype for an amusement park ride. Montgomery County Public Schools and its community partnerships are just one component used in helping students develop cognitive growth in and out of the classroom.
We are very excited that we are opening a new flagship makerspace in downtown Bethesda, 20,000 square foot facility. It will allow us to serve the community in a new space and in programs around the community more broadly. Our goal is for this program to be in the hands of every elementary and middle school student countywide.
I'm very pleased by this because, this teaches them a skill that they can carry on into our CTE programs, because one thing I believe that, we don't have to train everybody to go to college, but what we do need to do is give them the skills to be able to get a job, have a family, do all the things that they want to do in life.